My seventh YouTube salary, $100. So 3,000 left in balance in ATM. Just now we go out from ATM. 25,000 this one and 3,000 balance there in ATM bank. Alhamdulillah, thanks God, I have already my own non-stick kitchen wares. So this is my seventh YouTube salary. Before last year, I went to that shop with Fahad, but I don't enough money to buy this kind of kitchenware. So, but before I'm planning already to buy this kind of non-stick, and always I'm watching in YouTube this kind of kitchenwares they are using for cooking. So I tell to myself that inshallah I will buy my own kitchenwares like this non-stick. So ito andito na napasa kamay ko na. So let's start to unboxing it. I already removed the rope and it's so dusty, so must be I have to wipe and wash this carton, and especially one by one this non-stick with covers. So this owner of that shop not enough one box to pack, so he used two kind of boxes, but this kind of non-stick, not this one, but only. So we'll see how many pieces here, including these covers and a spoon. So let's start now to unboxing it. So I can wash this one and then I can use now. First here in this box. Bravo, bravo. Bravo cookware, cook bitter, live bitter. Live bitter, not live. So bismillah. This is the smallest one, and this is the cover. So it's so dusty, so I have to wash this one. Mashallah. Two pieces with the cover, and this is second. And this is cover, and this is now three. And then this is a frying pan. This is cover. Oh, there is cover also. And these are all spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six pieces spoons. There. There is also tawa to make chapati. Non-stick also. Tawa, yung flat pan for making chapati or roti or kubos. So, how many now? And this one. So this one all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 with cover, so 10. 10, then plus tawa or flat pan for making chapati is 11. So by including covers is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. and all spoon is 12. So these are all the uh, complete non-stick of this box. But the right here, how many there? No, no, no. This one. This one, but not this one because the price is less. So this one only. This one cost 15,000 rupees. If you convert this one in peso, I think this one 15 divided by 5 is 5,000. 5. No, no, no. Sorry, I cannot. 15,000 rupees then divided by 5 because no 1,000 for example 1,000 rupees is 200 pesos. So how much that one? I'm not good in mathematics. So cost is 15,000 rupees. You have to divide this one in 5. So this is the cost of this kitchenwares non-stick. So this 15,000 divided by 5, it cost 3,000 pesos. I think this is expensive or what, this kind of non-stick. But I don't know, I don't have idea if this expensive or not. But maybe it's okay, this kind of price, 3,000 if convert in peso. How many pieces here? This kind all pieces. I already washed it and already dried. So look the difference. No more dust. Now I can use now this one. I can start now to use.